Aflatoxin M1 Fluorescence Quantitative Rapid Test for Milk. Test preparation. Turn on the BioQuick incubator. Set the incubation time and incubation temperature. Test procedure. Take required number of microwells from test tube. Add 100 microliter of AFM1 sample diluent into the reagent microwell. Warm up the milk sample to room temperature. Mix well before testing. Pipette 200 microliter milk sample into the reagent microwells. Mix well by pipetting up and down 5 to 10 times. Incubate 2 minutes at 40 Celsius. Insert the test cassettes into the incubator. Pipette 200 microliter of the mixture from the microwell into the sample well of the test cassette. Incubate another 10 minutes in turn. Take out the test cassette from incubator. Result interpretation. Turn on the Bioeasy fluorescence scanner. Insert the ID chip and import the curve corresponding to this batch product before testing. Click Test and Read ID chip. After the information uploaded, click the sample info and select the Print automatically. Insert the test cassette. Click Quick Test, and the result will be printed automatically. Your food safety concern, our dedication.